Today we're making quick and delicious potato patties with very little batter and lots of filling.
The result is quick and tender pies.
Let's start with the filling. Take 500 grams of peeled potatoes, cut them into slices, then into small cubes. Transfer the potatoes to a saucepan. I like to pour boiling water over them. This way they cook faster while we prepare the other ingredients. Finally, chop one bunch of green onions, about 50 grams. Grate 100 grams of mozzarella cheese using a coarse grater. The potatoes are cooked. Drain the water and mash them into a smooth puree. Add half a teaspoon of salt, since we didn't salt the potatoes while cooking. Add the chopped green onions. Add 50 grams of butter and mix everything well. Now let's prepare the batter. In a separate bowl, add 100 grams of sour cream, 15% fat. Crack in 2 eggs. Add half a teaspoon of ground allspice. Mix well until smooth. You can add your favorite seasonings. Add 4 tablespoons of sifted flour and mix again. Break up all the lumps so that the dough becomes smooth. Don't forget a pinch of salt. The batter should be slightly thinner than pancake batter. Add the grated cheese to the cooled mashed potatoes and mix. Take about 1 tablespoon of the potato filling. Place it in your palm. Gently press and shape into a small patty. Prepare all the patties this way. Heat a frying pan. Add vegetable oil and set the heat to medium. Dip each potato patty into the batter, making sure it's fully coated. Maybe next time, I'll add 3 tablespoons of flour instead of 4, so the dough won't be so sticky. Then place it into the pan. You get lots of filling and very little batter. Since the filling is already cooked, the patties fry quickly. Brown them on one side, flip, and cook until the other side is golden. They're very easy to flip and don't fall apart. They fry evenly and keep their shape very well. These potato cutlets or pies are very beautiful and delicious. Be sure to make them for yourself and your family. You can add sour cream and sauces of your choice to them. It will be delicious. The patties turn out soft, tender, and very aromatic. Creamy potato with green onions inside and a soft golden batter on the outside. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. Enjoy your meal!